Hi guys, this is Rajiv Kumar Nandi. Today we are here to show how to install DNS server. First of all, I should tell you that I have a host machine Windows 10 and I have installed also VMware platform where where I have already installed Windows Server 2016, and there I am going to create DNS server. So here is our VMware platform. This is a very good platform. You can buy this software, or you can get it from your school, or you can download it from internet. And this is a very good software. So this is my Windows 2016 server. Of course, this is the server. So after I have already installed this one, so before, what is the first step? So I will follow my school instructions as like our practice or our assignment. So basically for this one I have to go to the virtual network editor, because in this platform, I mean the VMware platform workstation, I will have more than one computers, and all computers will be like one will be like Windows Server and another will be like Windows 10. So I need to make a network between them so that I can practice. So in this case, how I will do this networking? So I have to go here, virtual network editor. This is already installed by the VMware workstation, I mean the VMware software. When you install it, it comes automatically, so no worries about this one. So we will click the NAT. From the NAT is here, and here is local. First of all, we have to select the NAT, and first thing we have to do, we have to take it away, the DHCP, this one we have to take it away, and subnet IP is 192.168.100.0. This is our required IP. So everything is all right here, but if in your case, if you see that this is not working, then you can take it away and you can put your desired IP address, or you can keep any kind of thing, whatever you want. So if you want to change, how you will change it, just click on the change settings. It takes a bit time, and I should say sorry for my laptop is very slow. It will take time. It can be a little bit boring as well. I apologize for this one. If you have time, please go through the whole video. So here, after clicking, now it came NAT and everything is okay. You just take it away, you just put or take it away like this way, and you put your subnet IP and you press apply and wait few seconds. It will start working. Loading network configuration. Now okay, again have to wait few seconds, then it will start working. Yes, it is done. Now I am going to my server, I mean Windows Server 2016 here. So I make it like bigger screen so that is easy to see. So now I make a login here, and this password is very important. You have to always, I prefer to give always same password everywhere, because we need to give password many times in many different password. So I prefer from the beginning you can use the same password, is good for you. And password is like restricted password. You should have some character and symbols as well. So we go log in. So what we did, we already made the connection. Now our Windows server is our operating system is opening, so we are waiting for a while. This is the main page came, like server manager. This is the most important page, and this page you can go through from here also, from start button, like as I said, it's slow, and then server manager is here. So just go to the start button and then server manager, same thing. So here, so now we go to the local server to see the condition how it is now. Okay, so this is our local server. In our local server we can see that our computer name is server02. This is very important, so you can keep like 02, or if you want to change, so you can change our server name also, like you can change it like this way, server2, or you can write server1, whatever you want, like it. Okay, you must restart your computer. Okay, so close, restart later, because I want to change the IP address also, then I want to restart my computer also. And remember, if you change anything related to your IP address, is always good to restart or some force command. Anyway, now we TCP IP. Now we put our IP address as we got from our school is 192.168.111, and then subnet mask comes automatically, and default gateway is, you can write it like 192.168.102. It was given in our task paper, 192.168 and then 102, like this. Now close. So you can close this one. It's not showing. Now let's go to the, I hope that it will work. Now restart and password again. Now we go again local server and see what is the condition. Okay, it is not changed. So this one changed, but server name is not changed. It's always good to restart. It's taking time. Now it's ready. Yes. Now we are almost here. Yes. Now page is coming. Let's see how it is going. We can check it out. That what is our server name now? I mean the computer name. Server manager is opening very soon. Yes. Yes, is server 01. So you have to restart the machine. This is very important. So many times if you don't do it, so it can be problem in the next coming steps. So now our next part, what we will do. So let's go to the dashboard again, and this page you can, as I said to you, this page you can go through the start button and then server manager, this page. So and then we will start adding the rules and features. We will add the DNS features. So this you can click here, or you can go to the manage from here, and you can add rules and features. Both are same. So just click whenever you want, wherever you want. So I just click, this page has already come. So here just keep the space by default. So just press next, and rule based and feature based installation, yes, this is we are looking for, and next, and then our select a server from the server pool, and this is our IP address is correct. So next, and next part is showing that which features we are going to add. Of course we are adding DNS. When you click DNS, it's showing that it is asking for the add features. Of course you have to add them. Okay, there is something wrong in my click. Now it's okay, it's showing. And then you have to add Active Directory domain service, because without it domain server will not work. So add. So these two are very important, DNS server and Active Directory domain service. So now we click next, yes, just keep going. So I don't want to start it automatically, so leave it like this, and next, install. So it will take little bit time for installing these features to the machine in our server. this installation is taking time, so you can have a short break. So here our installation is success. So configuration required and installation success on server 1. So we close this one. So after adding this, so we can see our Active Directory and our DNS server is showing here. These two was not shown before, but now it's showing. So everything is perfect. And noticeable is here is one yellow mark. So after adding this, we have to promote our DNS server. This is our very important step. So we have to promote this server as a domain controller. Just click on there, and then we have to write before that we have to select add a new forest. You have to add a new forest, like Army DOM was selected in our task. So I just write it like this way, amidom.local, and I didn't select this one. I'm very sorry, so I have to do it first and then I have to write amidom.local. So we can go next. Next is like Windows Server technical, and here it is showing that domain server there is 2. So functional level here is saying that Windows Server 2008, 2008, 2012, but we are using 2016. So better leave it like technical preview is fine, and we have to make it our password again for our domain controller. And all passwords are restricted, like you have to put some special keys. Now we go next. So here is a one error or delegation message is showing, so just leave it like this way. No need to worry, just go ahead, and computer is searching for domain name what I gave. It will find it here. Just wait a bit. Yes, it's showing now amidom. Next, and this is the database files for our server. I prefer to put them in a different way, as like in a different partition. But if you want then you can keep it like this way, but I recommend to put in a different partition, as I didn't make my partition of my hard disk. So let it be in C drive for a while, and you can choose the path from here very easily. Which path you want to do is easy. Just select the folder, and just select the drive and select the folder. For example, you go select as this one, and then you click here, then it will be selected. It's very easy. So this is, let it be like so. Okay, we go next, and then next. It's waiting, we are waiting. So is we install. In this case, if you see that there is some error coming, that means you have some other problems. But this is not error, this is some kind of notification coming. But no worries. But if you see that you cannot go next or you cannot install, that means that you have to restore the machine or you have done somewhere wrong. And when it will be done, you can see that our computer will be take a restart, and or I mean the log off. It will be log off, and because when the server is ready. See, is about to log out now. We close, and this login will take time. We close this one. Now restarting. It will take time for installing the first login. So here our computer is ready. So we just give password. You can see Amitom here and administrator. Just write the password as I gave to the domain controller, and is coming. Now you can see this is the server manager is opening, so where you can see everything is okay. So here local server is server 1, and yes, now it's showing here the domain is summit dom.local. Everything is fine. So what we will do, we can do one thing now. Everything is there in the tools. Now we can click in DNS from tools, DNS, and then we see server 1, forward lookup zone, and this is the forward lookup zone. Then you can see Amitom, and you right click and new host A. You can write here name of a machine like WKS101, let's say like this, and IP also 192.168 dot like 100.101. This like say one computer like this. Add a host. This host is already created. For example, you can go to the C. If you want to see how it is working, you can go to the CMD. Then you can write ns lookup WKS101. This is the same we made. So it's showing that address and localhost and domain, everything is showing, and the IP address also. So everything is showing. So this is normal DNS server is built. So next time we will show how to make the organization and how you can use it through the client to the server. So thank you for watching, and hope all the best for you all. Thank you.